Hi, if you want to create a torn fabric in Blender and Substance Painter, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started and see how we're going to create that torn fabric. First off, we're going to start with a plane, create a plane, and then we're going to scale that plane as we please, like this. And after that we're going to subdivide it around 25 times so we have more vertices to work with. After that we're going to select the vertices on the sides and assign them in one vertex group and call it maybe pins, and do not forget to press assign like this. And after that we go to physics and select cloth and go way down till we find shape and select this group called pins that we created. After that we hit space and we have a cloth simulation like this. Maybe shade smooth it like and after that we're going to apply that modifier so we can export it. File, export, FBX, maybe on desktop, and don't forget to check selected objects and name it maybe cloth and hit export. Now we can go to Substance Painter to create that cloth. Now we're in Substance Painter. Maybe we can select maybe one fabric material to see what we're doing so we can turn it. After that we can create a fill layer, call it maybe torn fabric like this. In the shader settings we have to make it metallic roughness was alpha blending. We have to get the alpha blending thing so we can have the opacity activated. We go to texture set settings and select opacity. We add this channel, go back to our deselect everything except the opacity. Now the opacity is working like this. It is working. So after that we go to the black mask, create a black mask, go back and select the opacity, make it 0 so we can paint that torn fabric. To paint it we can choose a brush. Maybe we can try a brush like this one. Don't forget to select the mask so we can paint over it. Maybe try another one like this one here. This one is better. Like this we can paint over that mask so we can create the torn fabric like this, and this one like here, like this one. Okay, that's better. That's way better. And we can create the small threads. It makes it way more, photorealistic, like this, like this. And also here we can create a lot of threads. It looks like it's hanging from the fabric like this. We can find a lot of brushes, torn fabric brushes in maybe ArtStation, Gumroad, other websites. You can find a lot of free ones as well. So this was the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in other tutorials. Goodbye.